Well, after a fantastic result for Parafield, I've got another great property for you to see. This is 8 Hatherleigh Road in Parafield Gardens. 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Let's have a look at this place. There we go, straight into the hallway. We've got the living room there. This is a solid brick home. It's got reverse cycle air conditioning, smoke alarms in all the rooms, or main rooms, living, bedrooms. You can see it up there in the ceiling. This is bedroom 2. Here we go, zoned as well, that recycled aircon. To the dining area. And we keep going round, and which gives you entrance into the kitchen. As you can see, plenty of bench space. There's your oven, microwave. It is an electric cooktop, you can see by that, with range hood. But a butler's pantry. So here, this is where your fridge and freezer can be, plenty of storage for pantry items. And we've got a sink here. Now it is double brick, lovely and solid. And the reverse air is zoned, so you've got the zonings there. Now this is bedroom 2. Plenty of floor to ceiling storage, carpet. It's a huge amount of room. This is the main bedroom. There's me in the mirror, sorry. And we go around, again, plenty of storage with built-in robes. Go out of the passageway, we'll go through, and to our right, here's the 3rd bedroom. Now, another little surprise. This has got a walk-in robe too. So you got your built-ins there and plenty of room for a tall boy or a vanity, anything like that. With shower, toilet, a bath for little ones, that's a big thing for young families. And a very colourful toilet. Now then, we go through to the 2nd bathroom. Now this is like an ensuite. This is also a laundry area. But here, we've got another bath. Vanity and toilet. Cool. Have an undercover garage. So you can put 2 cars in here, another 2 on the driveway. And then we got the garage. This big entertaining area. And we've got a shed that could be, well, turned into a rumpus room if you wanted, turned into another bedroom. You've got everything here available. There's power, lights to do that. Lots of fruit trees in the backyard there. You can see hot water, electric hot water service. And then we've got another couple of sheds here. So if we go quick look inside, this could be another little tool shop, workshop, or tool storage. And then it's open up and got another storage area there. Very versatile, great for any home hobbyist or enthusiast. And we'll just go for a quick walk around here. And we've got a lovely little shade house area. Great for all your plants that need a bit of protection, and a lovely green area where the bedrooms can look out onto. Well, that's 8 Hatherleigh Street in Parafield Gardens. I look forward to showcasing this home to buyers in the near future.